God is our selfless, eternal relative, and we have forgotten Him, and we have used up all our heart, all our mind in getting attached to the worldly relatives. It's one thing to do your duty to them, and it's one thing to attach all your heart. So when we say the world is selfish, we are not trying to criticize anyone. We are not telling you that you stop doing your duty towards your family members. We are just saying that loosen your attachment a little bit so that your mind becomes a bit free to learn to love God. Otherwise, Ramakrishna Paramahans says, as long as a person is not married, he has got 100% of his heart to himself to love God. And then when he gets married, 50% goes to the wife or to the husband. Now 50% left for bhakti. And then after that, when the children come, chunnu munnu, etc., 10% here, 5% here, 10% in the job, 5% in golf, and you have only 2-3% of the heart left to engage in devotion to God. So to loosen our worldly attachment, the saints tell us, सच्चे सखा है हरि ही हमारे माता पिता मीत सुबंधु प्यारे भूलो न भाई दिन रात गाओ गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति नाता भला क्या जग से हमारा आए कहाँ से कर क्या रहे हो सोचो विचारो हरि को पुकारो गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति प्यारे जरा तो मन से विचारो क्या साथ लाए हो क्या ले चलोगे जावे सदा यही हमारे गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति. So they are saying that even your relationship with your own body is temporary. What to speak of relationship with others? This body will also be left behind. And those family members who loved you so much will say, burn the body. या दिन मन पंछी उड़ी जई हैं घर के कही वेगी ही काड़ो भूत भय को खई हैं या दिन मन पंछी उड़ी जई हैं. Those family members who used to love you so much, they will say, burn the body quickly. It's going to create smell. But before sending it off, check that there is no necklace or rings, etc. left. Take them all off. जिन तेरी आसो प्रीति घनेरी सो देखी डरई हैं या दिन मन पंछी उड़ी जई हैं. There will be only that 2 yards cloth, the shroud, covering your body, and that will also go only up to the cremation ground. And there, once the fire is lit, nothing will remain. When you came in this world, did you bring anything with you? No, Swamiji. When you go, it will be the same. It will all be left behind. That is why the Pandit at the cremation ground, to the relatives of the person being cremated, He gives them a little twig and says, break it. So they break it. He says, it was so delicate, it got broken so easily. That is the nature of worldly relationships. Your relationship with the departed soul was also equally delicate. So this understanding helps us realize that our eternal relationship is with God. We are His Shakti. Like Durga ji is the Shakti. We are the Shakti, but she is Yogamaya Shakti. We are Jiva Shakti.